Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know you guys read the title. Don't worry, it's not that sad, and I was kind of down at that moment, and I'll explain in this video and what's gonna go on and my future plans and just a lot of stuff. But before I do, we gotta go pick up my source of happiness. We sent the G35 to go get ceramic coated for that new carbon fiber honeycomb hood that we just installed. If you haven't checked that video, I'll go ahead and click right here in the top right corner. But let's go ahead and pick it up, and then I'll let you guys know what the hell happened. We just arrived. Shout out to Royal Detailing once again for freaking ceramic coating my hood, bro. This thing looking like a beauty. Check out them calipers, bro. That shit looking mint. Sight. We're gonna switch that color. This thing's probably super soft. Oh, that shit's hella soft. Hell yeah, baby. You can see the sky. You can see everything. Well done. Good job. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you very much for the service. Amazing job.
7 days after you can go crazy with it.
Don't worry, bro. I'm not gonna wash it for like 2 months. Hell yeah, that thing's like sick.
I did a quick wipe down on the entire thing too, so.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. If you can keep it inside today though, that'd be perfect.
I will.
And then after that, you'll be fine.
All right, I'll go ahead and take it straight home right now.
Hell yeah.
Sweet. Alright guys, obviously that wasn't live. I was just trying to act how it was, but that was really me. When at the moment I got laid off, I was like, shit, bro, like what am I gonna do, bro? Now if you guys want to know, the reason I got laid off is because of inexperience. It was my first official professional job, I would say, right after college, and I jumped. It wasn't like an assistant position, it wasn't an internship, it was like a full-on accountant position. I probably jumped into it. I don't know how I freaking maneuvered through the freaking interviews or not, but I mean I was able to land it, and I mean now we're out. But I thought I was doing a decent job, but that's besides the point. We're not here to argue. And so with every negative, I always say this in all my videos, with every negative there is in your life, or there are in your lives, many negatives, there's always a positive, and there's always a bright side to a negative. So that's what we try to do in this channel. What happened when my hood flew off? Yes, it sucked, but look, now we have a super way better hood now. It looks so damn good. What happens when you get into an accident and you crash your vehicle? You freaking get an insurance claim and you get a way better car. So those are just some examples, but also I kind of want to blame myself, and that's because I could have done a much better job, but I'm lacking concentration. And the reason I'm lacking concentration is because I try to dedicate a lot to YouTube. I love YouTube, I love filming, I love meeting new people, new cars, and it's just what I love doing, and that's why I've always put time for YouTube aside. You guys can ask all my friends. Even before I got a G35, I would always film videos. I would do vlogs, I would do reaction videos, I would do so many damn videos. And now when I got the car and I started filming with the car, I do so many damn videos with the car. Okay, it's just what I love doing. It's awesome, and it's my passion. During college, I would literally, I kid you not, ask I mean, I don't know who you can ask, but literally in college, oh, you can ask my girlfriend, there you go, I would literally ditch class. I wouldn't even go to class sometimes, just so I can go early home and film a video for you guys. My G35 and the channel was everything to me, and it still is. Like, I literally think about the channel 24/7. So before this accountant position, I had another different position. It was like an HR administrative assistant kind of position, and every time on my free time, or even while I'm working, I'm always thinking, what's the next video? What can I do? What kind of parts can I get from my G35? Who can I work with? What can I do? I'm always thinking that constantly. And even in this job, I always try to tend to leave early so I can go home and film for you guys and try to create videos. And just YouTube is freaking awesome. I love it, man. And so if YouTube wasn't part of me, one big issue I was having with the accountant position is just recognizing what kind of expenses and things go into. Pretty much you're categorizing, oh, this goes in this group, oh, this goes in this group, and I was kind of getting those wrong. And I could have easily went home, studied all those accounts, freaking memorized what goes into what, so much time into it, and like perfect it and be like the best accountant ever. But people tend to suck at things that they're not really interested in. I don't know if you've heard that before. And I was always thinking about YouTube, so that's why I would always go home and film for you guys. And so I didn't put too much time into my job, and so that's kind of what led to this. But yeah, I mean, I guess if you want to consider it, I'm like full-time YouTube right now, even though it cannot pay the bills. Yes, I'm getting paid by YouTube, but it's not a crazy amount. And but I love doing it. That's the best part about it. And like I said, to every negative there's a bright side. So when I got fired, yes, it sucked. It was one of the worst feelings ever. I felt worthless. I was like, man, bro, like I can't believe I failed at this and things like that. But honestly, it was, I would say, one of the best things that's ever happened to me, because after that I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna sit here on my ass. We're gonna bust out and grind videos. So that's why I've been posting so consistently and trying to bring out content for you guys. And so now I'm just constantly filming, editing, going to sleep, creating, thinking of ideas, filming, eating, and repeat and repeat and repeat. And that's why I've been grinding and trying to show you guys videos. But yeah, even though they can't pay the bills, I'm not gonna give up on my dream. I've been going at it for 3 years. I've skipped class, I've got fired from my job, and I mean, this is my passion. I love doing this, and if I could get a job doing YouTube, like, this is so freaking sick, bro. And honestly, a dream come true. So that's why I keep going at YouTube. I won't give up on you guys. I keep creating content for you guys, and we're gonna keep on going, man. Now you guys are probably like, yo, like, so you quit your job, so how are you gonna pay for mods? How are you gonna do this? How are you gonna pay for that? I do have plans. I have backup plans, of course. So I do have something in mind that I want to do. It requires me studying, taking licenses, getting things for that, and getting prepared a little bit more. So that's gonna start maybe like in a month, because I do want to dedicate a full month to YouTube and try to grind out as many videos for you guys, because this is what I love doing. I wanna make this work out for you guys, and also for myself. And as far as mods, I guess I was a little bit smart with my money. I have money saved up. I have my investing money saved up. So I do have you know, funds out there enough to support the channel, at least in the short term. But yeah, man, we're definitely gonna want to bring more money into the channel, because like I said, I do want to get that 400Z. It looks absolutely amazing. So we're gonna have to find a way to bring that into the channel for sure. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but things always work out, and we're gonna make that happen. And I won't give up on YouTube. I won't give up on you guys, man. This is my passion, man. I'm gonna be here till the day I die, man. I love doing YouTube. So that's all. I just wanted to give you guys an update. I know some of you guys are saying, yo, why are you uploading consistently, or like, why are you uploading daily now? Like, are you a full-time YouTuber now? So I wanted to clarify things with you. With that being said, you guys, I'll catch you guys tomorrow with another video. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can repair this hood. It's not broken. By repair, I mean install the vents, because my vents had a mesh, and right now the hood kind of looks naked. It looks kind of weird. So we're gonna see if we can install the mesh here somehow. We freaking invented some genius idea. We're gonna go ahead and figure it out, and we're gonna make it work. I know that for sure. I'm excited. We got state rep appointments coming up. We got a car show coming up. We got the supercharger coming up. We got the tune day coming up. We got a lot of things coming up, and I'm excited, man. I can't wait to feel the power in this car and having finally my exhaust back. So I'm super excited. Good things will happen. Things will happen. I'm confident in myself that I will make this work. I'm not sad. I'm not angry, anything. I'm happy. I'm motivated, especially to you guys. Thank you guys for all the support. You guys make me keep on grinding. The support is unreal. I will never give up on this dream, and I will make it work. So, but that's all, folks. Stay safe out there. Love you guys. Thank you guys for the support. Be distinct. You guys already know. Catch you guys next video. Peace.